Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm just about to unbox my brand new second-hand Carinthia Defence 6, which arrived about 2 weeks ago. I should have opened it before now, but it's going to be cold tonight. It's going to be sub-zero. It's going to be -1 here where I live in the southeast of England, and I'm going out camping this evening, so I'm going to take this guy out and give it a test. The Defence 4 would do an equally as good job, or as fine a job, but I want to give this thing a go and I really need to open it. So let's open it up and see what kind of condition it's in. This is second hand. I paid about 165 quid for it. They're new, they're 250, 275, that sort of money, maybe more. I'll check it out and I'll put a link on the screen in a minute. But what I'm going to do this now is just open it up and see if we've got a bargain or if I've been absolutely done. Let's have a find out. Oops. Wow, there we go. Okay, first impressions. That's a weighty piece of kit. That is heavy. Carinthia Defence 6. Okay, so let's open it up and see what kind of condition it's in. Initially, the stuff sack is spotless, absolutely spotless. This is boding well. It looks good. Let's just loosen it up. It's definitely been used. There are signs of wear on the straps, but nothing really obvious. Nothing that stands out. Smells great, smells fine. Let's see what it's like on the inside. Wow, this is fantastic. Okay, lovely, lovely big bag. Honestly, it smells like it hasn't been slept in. This is incredible. There isn't really a mark on it. This is in incredible condition. This wasn't surplus or anything, so whoever used it obviously found it too warm or too heavy or too big. We'll find out, but you know, their loss is my gain, I guess. Okay, this is awesome. It's got the really big baffle on it. It's got all the features that the Carinthia 4 has, just with a lot more stuffing in it. This is going to do me really well tonight. Right, here's the baffle. These things are incredible. They're so well made. Right, I'm going to stuff this up and get it packed up, and then I'm going to get ready to go out. Great result. Really happy. I'm going to sleep in this tonight, and we'll see what it's like out on camp. See you later.